Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is crack-a-lacking? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is your quote. The only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Every opportunity you didn't take is a missed one. Every morning you slept through the alarm instead of going for a run. It's a wasted opportunity. The time you watch TV instead of doing some research and learning. The workout you didn't go to. Missed opportunities and effectively a bad one. You only want to work with good. So make the commitment and then stick to it. Make some progress happen and stop wasting every day that you don't. When you start to see success, that is when success becomes addictive.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.